All right, what's going on, everyone? I'm going to do a quick video update for Twitter and Discord for Bbig. As you guys have probably already heard, they have delayed their earnings 15 days. 15 days from today would be precisely April 15th. So April 14th, as you guys know, is the option chain that has a ridiculous amount of open interest out of the money. So why would they delay earnings? Well, I think it's because they are going to have bad earnings. If they have bad earnings and they post those earnings right now, what do we not get? We don't get a gamma squeeze. If we look back to history and we see what they did in January over here, they ran up this option chain. There was a similar juiced option chain in January, similar to what we're seeing here in April. They ran up this option chain the week before this it actually expired, right? Then there was total manipulation right here on this sell-off. It was a wild sell-off. It was also a bear market which perpetuated this, but still, by January 21st, 2021, they were able to drive majority of the open interest out of the money, closing the stock price at around $3 per share. So majority of the open interest for January 21st, they were able to drive out of the money. What can they not do right now if they post bad earnings? They can't run up the option chain. They can't use this option chain to their advantage, sell a bunch of degenerate gamblers weekly options on it, right? They can't make their money by running up the option chain if they post bad earnings right now. So if they post it the week of the option expiration, what happened the last time the week of the option the options expired right here? They drove this thing to the ground. So I honestly think that Bbig is in bed with market makers here. They're intentionally doing this right now so that they can run up the option chain for April 14th. That's also probably why they're keeping this trend line that you're seeing right here intact. If we go into a smaller time frame like the hourly chart, you see that they ran up the stock price intraday, second half of the day, just so it could sell off in after hours and again perfectly bounce off this trend line. So this trend line may or may not be significant. I'm not saying it is significant. All I'm saying is that it ran up just enough so that it could sell off in after hours on this news right here and then perfectly bounce off of it, keeping the uptrend intact, keeping people essentially to continue to be bullish on Bbig through the use of phony technical analysis. And obviously there's tinfoil hat to this. It's a little bit of a conspiracy theory. I don't know what hedge funds are doing. I'm just speculating in the end, but it would be pretty perfect for them to have earnings and bad earnings the week of April 14th in order to get all of this open interest to expire out of the money. Anyways, my friends, rant over for this. It probably deserved a whole video on its own. But I appreciate you guys watching. See you guys next time.